And we are live, alright. So basically, I got back from vacation a couple hours ago, and, I don't got much else to do. It's the middle of the night, so I'm just gonna friggin' stream working on this again, I suppose. I'm gonna do something real quick. Let me put that down there. Why does when I pull up YouTube, it automatically go to Flamingo? I'm not watching Flamingo on my computer. Why? Okay. Whatever. How do I go to my own channel? There. So I can look at chat without having to have it open on my phone. Oh, I can start a poll? That's cool. I didn't know you could do that. Or a Q&A. That's interesting. Yeah. Uh-huh. I'm gonna pull this. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm gonna pull something else up. Wait. This. I think. Where is that? I'm confused. Everything is broken. Double click on that, I think. Does this work? No. Alright. I don't care enough to figure that out right now. I'll get Ben to help me with that. He knows this crap. I'll just stream like this. Alright. So basically I pulled up chat so that I can, like, look at that. Why do I still have you enabled? Oh yeah, while I was gone I added some cool things. How do I turn you off there? Oh yeah, I changed the map so it's less difficult to edit and to deal with. And I added some secrets. So basically, there's a random chance that you can have one of these two things happen. This right here. Like, whenever you pull down the cameras, one of these two things can happen. Which is cool, I suppose. I'm just watching freaking Gotham Chess in the background. And I don't want to turn that off, so I have this pulled up. Jeez, that's delayed. Why is this still this old ass icon right here? When did I make this? Wait. This is also outdated, my normal profile picture. I need to make a new one sometime. But this little badge icon, or whatever the heck it is, in the bottom corner of the video. When did I make this? I don't even remember. I'm pretty sure these are the colors on it are supposed to be my favorite colors in order. That order is also outdated. That doesn't really matter though, because I don't care. I don't know. I'm just freaking code programming. See when the cameras go up, it has a random chance to be there. This is not going to stay as just a white screen, by the way, if you couldn't tell. That would be quite difficult. So usually my streams last about an hour. It's 10:59. This isn't until like midnight. I don't even know, man. Maybe it'll be a short stream. I don't care. I can end the stream whenever I want. I just remembered I don't have an obligation to continue streaming. It's the middle of the night. I'm just watching Gotham Chess and coding. What am I coding even? I don't know. Should I start working on the cameras? Possibly. I don't know. What's that over there? What am I looking for? I don't know. Okay, so that automatically does that. I'm just testing. So, just change that to like red. So camera 1 is this. Camera 2 is this. Yes, okay, just testing that. Now I just realized to do this, I was planning on, oh my god. I'm gonna have to get screenshots of the game and use that as a reference. Why have I gotten myself into this? Okay, open OBS. Alright, bye-bye. I'm gonna open up... Oh, wait, no, that won't work. I need... No. What am I supposed to do about that? What am I supposed to be doing? I don't remember. Huh? Oh yeah, I need to... I don't even know if my audio is working. I haven't checked. I should probably check. Hello? Oh, yeah, my audio is working clearly. I need to... But no, I can't. Wait, but that isn't even... I don't know, I'm just gonna go for it. I don't even know. I'm just gonna try drawing it. I don't know. So this is, the camera 1 is this hallway, so I feel like it's probably pointed like, I don't know, I'm just... So like... Ooh, that could be an issue, because that... What am I doing? How do I make that? I don't know how to make perspective. I didn't go to art school. Just that, do that. That's... I need to figure out what I'm doing. I'm not doing this very correctly. I don't know how to draw a perspective, let alone make it in this Scratch editor. That's not... That doesn't look good. What am I doing? How do I do things? I'm confused. Do that. Scrap. Do that. So basically. Oh wait, I might be figuring it out. I think I'm figuring it out. Now I think I'm figuring it out. I know what I'm doing, kind of. What? Okay. Now these two walls is where I'm having the issue. What? Just what am I doing? I need to. I did it. I made a thing. I made a hallway. Oh my god, this is... I gotta stop having that like that. No, I don't even care. Boom. That works. Boom. Okay. That's camera one done, kind of. It probably needs more detail. This... What color is the floor? This doesn't help. Obviously, looking up floor on the Baldi wiki isn't gonna help find the floors. It's gonna help you find the floor, as in, like, level. There, floor texture. It's like, what color is the... I don't... What color would this be? Like... Just... There. That's kind of the color. And 12. Boom. And this you just need to turn down. Boom. That goes to 0. Okay. I think I did a thing. I made the floor a different color and the ceiling a different color. Let's go to the front so that I did make a room. What are you? Why are you in my chat, Romeo? I don't. Why? Get out of here, bro. What are you talking about? Stop! It's the middle of the night. I'm not. I'm not drunk enough for this. Even though I'm not drunk enough for whatever you're saying in chat, Romeo. I'm not dealing with all that. Anyhow. We have camera. We have a singular camera. Whoa. And then, actually, for camera 2, we can just... boom. And I'm thinking... doing that... make that hallway slightly different so it's like better. What am I doing, bro? Okay, I made 2 rooms. Boom, boom. Actually, that brings up a point where I need to make a button for these 2 cameras specifically. A scissors button. Because 2 of the characters need a scissors button. You could probably guess pretty easily what characters those are if you've played this game before. Oh, crap. Okay. Wait, I just realized this is supposed to be the version of the room with 0 props. Get rid of that chalk, bro. That counts as a prop. I don't know, man. Alright, what am I doing for this button? It's gonna be like white with a, like, I think a slight gray outline. Like I think like a 60 would be good. That's fine. Good enough. That's a bit large. I don't really care. That's slightly uneven. There we are. That's a square. I need scissors. The scissors texture. Did I spell that right? I don't know. I think I did. Alright, that. Alright. Boom. I'm thinking like a... just size that down into the general area of the button. Kind of like that. I don't know if I like or hate that, the way that that's placed. Guess it depends on where the button will be. It'll be like Huh. So it would seem I have misplaced the cameras. There. That fixes the issue with that. Why is this hidden? This doesn't have any code. Why would it be hidden? Why is that hidden? I don't understand. Put this like here. And have this be rotated here. Yes. Like it's like that color. No clue what I just did. That looks like scissors, kind of. Where is there like I could. I can turn that off. It's got like get rid of that. Huh. Boom. Why am I streaming in the middle of the night? No one's gonna watch this. Should I size this down? It looks a bit... Let me see what it looks like sized down. I don't like that. Not as obvious that it's there. Title screens. Hide. Go to... Don't go to 0, 0, go to its current position, which would be negative 200, negative 145, then, now, what am I doing? Oh yeah, la la la. I am tired, if you couldn't tell. Why am I streaming right now? I've been streaming for like 30 minutes and I got 2 cameras and a button that doesn't do anything. I spill scissors right, I don't care. Repeat until if else actually. I mean, or if current cam equals 1 or 2, it'll show, otherwise it'll hide. That isn't enabled. There we go. At none of these cameras does it work, but on these two you have the scissors button. Let me just red. That should be boom. Yep, that works. Just testing that. Alright, scissors button. Boom. Boom. No. I'm just gonna turn everything for this one down by 10. There. Boom. If so, if the touching mouse, touching mouse, then mouse down to no, wait a minute, no, that's not gonna work. No, that's bad. No, I can't do it like that, or it'll cause issues later. That'll cause issues later, I can't code it like that. I'll need to code it, like, tired. So, repeat and tell. That's well, I'm falling asleep here. I keep getting distracted. What am I even trying to do here? This. I think I need a whole separate thing for this. Touch your mouse pointer. Oh wait, no, I can do this in here, but I'm gonna need that for later. Mouse pointer, go to scissors button 2. If mouse down. We so touching mouse. Oh, that's not how that's supposed to swap those. Where did? Okay, what is? Stop doing that, please. Button 3. Wait. I'll just put like a. Just like a block that does absolutely nothing. Like, last time I needed a block that does nothing, I used an if, but I don't think I should do that for this. I'll just broadcast to load cameras. That's just gonna reload the cameras. That's not gonna do much. Add comments. Put here. That. Oh no. Blah blah blah. And wait. Not. So big. I'm gonna need that, I guess, or it's just not gonna work. That's also gonna need to play a sound at some point. I can get the sounds from the Baldi wiki, or just reuse the clicking sounds from some other thing. I just realized the start button also probably needs a sound. Blah 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 blah. Um, what am I doing? So, turn that on. Take this out. So we don't need that actually. I just didn't have the code active. Why does this all happen when title screen? I need that to happen on start. That just loads the cameras for right now. Just reloading the cameras. But when I actually have that done, it'll do stuff. For now, the scissors button just reloads the cameras, but when I actually code the characters that need the scissors button, then I'll make the scissors button do something. Speaking of which, I am going to need a 4th scissors button sprite. It is going to... Alright, that's at the same thing. Put that down 10. I keep pressing Control S to save, but also in the game S is to take down and up the cameras, so that just like screws with stuff. It's kind of annoying, but whatever. Now, this actually leads me... Oh no. Oh no, my mouse... Not the mouse, it's the program. No, it's... This is an issue I have to deal with so often. It's just like... The mouse, the actual... Where the program thinks the mouse is compared to where it actually is like 15 feet away. The only way I found to fix it is reloading. It's fine in the actual game. Oh, wait, full screening fixed it this time. Full screening the game window fixed it. Huh. Well, I'm just gonna let that be like that. I don't care. I'm gonna do that. That's a thing I do a lot, where I just like copy and paste an object, but with just the outline, so that I can make it look like it's in the outline, you know? Yeah. Yeah, I gotta... Okay, so... Maybe this stream, if I decide... I don't know, I might end the stream here. But I might make the green balloon, which is a mechanic has a mechanic tied to the scissors button. Which is why I needed to make that 4th scissors button sprite for it being disabled. Okay. I've yet to make any characters that can actually kill you. And that will not be changing for a while, because I'm making, like... I haven't even figured out what's gonna happen when you die in this. I don't know. Oof. Okay. There's no one in chat, so I kind of want to do that poll thing, but... I'm just gonna test it out. No one's probably gonna vote on it, because it looks like no one's in the stream right now. Start poll. Seems like the only option is yes. That shouldn't... Oh, there. I'm also testing that. No. I don't want to make a Q&A. I'll do that maybe at some point. Just looking through here. A lot of these are like wandering, and I don't even have a fully functional mechanic for this guy. Just looking through these. Fun fact, I've changed the mechanic for a few of these a few times. Like, for underscore, instead of the pop-ups thing, it used to be just like, the idea was you just have to actually just do a survey for it. For, let's see, what other characters had their mechanic changed? Oh yeah, this guy, non-canon fella, I don't remember his name. Well, I do, I just don't feel like saying it. I don't know why. Basically, his original mechanic was that he would just make a lot of noise, but that was boring, so I changed it. These four just don't do anything, really. They're just kind of there. Not a lot of these other ones have been changed. I want to change you. You have a bad mechanic that I don't like. Is this playable? It is not yet. It's very early development, but it's going to be eventually. Yeah. This will be playable eventually. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream here. So I'll work on this tomorrow more. I'll maybe start streaming again tomorrow.